Red oak board bow build along part 2. Gluing on your riser. Okay, as you can see, I've already got my riser glued onto the red oak board. I used Urac 185 and 2 drop lamps with a 100-watt bulb on each side. Now you can use Titebond 3. It's a good glue. You need to give it about 24 hours once you clamp it down. Be sure and rough up both gluing surfaces with a hacksaw blade or some really rough sandpaper. Clean it off real good and then spread glue on both surfaces and clamp it down. The Urac is great for any wood-to-wood application. You can cure it with heat or without. Costs about $12 at a woodworking store, or you can order it directly from their website, Nelson's Paint. Now let's take our clamps off. Let me set the camera down so we can take the clamps off. And I have already marked out our lines for roughing out our board. We're going to use a straight taper starting 2.5 inches from the end of the fades. Now the first cut we're going to make is our thickness taper, or our thickness cut. It's not actually going to taper just yet since we've got more of a pyramid design limb. But you can see I've drawn a line 9/16 thick all the way down the end of the bow. Now once we begin tillering, we're going to find that the tips and the middle part of the limb is going to be a little bit stiff, but that'll give us a good chance to work on our tillering skills. Now here is the lines I've drawn for the width taper. 2.5 inches from the end of the riser block, and then draw a straight line all the way to our 1/2 inch tips. That's 3/8 on either side, excuse me, 1/4 inch on either side of the center line. And then we will use our bandsaw to cut that out on our next part.